In this video, let us discuss about digital radiography in endodontics. History. First dental radiographs was made by Volkov. Eastman of Kodak tasked Tubber to make silver halide X-ray film specifically for dentistry. Kills brought the idea of paralleling angle technique and Price bisecting angle technique. RVG, radiovisiography, was the idea of Moyen. In digital radiography, the analog data has been converted into digital data. A digital image consists of number of pixels, which number corresponds to the gray level. We have 256 shades of gray in our digital radiographic image. So, pixel is the smallest picture element of the image. Resolution of the image is directly proportional to the pixel size. Types of digital imaging. There are three types: direct, semi-direct and indirect. Direct digital imaging produces the image immediately on the monitor post-exposure. Semi-direct digital imaging. It has an intermediate phase whereby the image is produced on the monitor following scanning by laser. Indirect digital imaging. Here the digital image is produced by scanning conventional radiograph. Types of intraoral digital system. Solid state detector CCD and CMOS and storage phosphate detector is photostimulable phosphor. Solid state sensor CCD and CMOS. In CCD, the pixels are read out in sequence, while in CMOS, the pixel can be read independently. In CCD, the narrow recording latitude will be there and hence pixel blooming occurs. Here in CMOS, it eliminates a need for charge transfer between the adjacent pixel wells, extending the exposure latitude, thereby suppressing the pixel blooming. Let us discuss about it. In CCD, silicon chip will be present. The pixel consisting of electron well. When a photon breaks the covalent bond between the silica, what happens? The electrons will be released. These electrons are transferred from one well to another in sequence, and this is called as bucket brigade. In CMOS, that is complementary metal oxide semiconductor, it has active pixel technology. It has an active transistor built into the pixel. Therefore, system power is reduced and wireless radio frequency transmission of the acquired image is also possible in CMOS. PSP plate, photostimulable phosphor plate. When an X-ray is exposed to the imaging plate, which consists of barium fluorohalide and europium ions, primary excitation of the electron takes place, which results in the formation of latent image. It is formed by the formation of metastable electron traps, and this is called as Farbs-Entrance centers. Therefore, when an X-ray is exposed to the imaging plate, first and primary excitation of electron takes place and latent image is formed. Then a laser scanning is being done, which results in the secondary excitation of electron and the formation of final image. An important point here is that PSP plate require increased radiation than the E-speed films. Therefore, dose reduction with digital technology is only possible with solid state system. Hurter and Driffill curve. X-axis is the log relative exposure and Y is the density, and this is the dynamic range. X-axis is the log relative exposure and Y is the density. This is the dynamic range. Dynamic range is also known as latitude. It corresponds to the range of exposure that will produce images within the useful density range. PSP plate has more dynamic range. Images of the RVG sensor. RVG sensor have two sides, active side and non-active side. Active side is where the X-ray will be exposed and in non-active side the cable will be attached. It is available in 3 sizes like size 0, size 1 and size 2. And these are the various layers in an REG sensor. And these are the images of PSP plate, photostimulable phosphor plate.